New English words with meanings. Guzzle. To drink something, especially a lot, very quickly or greedily. I was so thirsty. I guzzled 3 glasses of water. Wrangle. To argue or fight, especially in a noisy or angrily way. Don't wrangle with me over small things. Quibble. To argue about small, unimportant things. Stop quibbling and focus on the real issue. Ruffle. Disarrange or mess up things like hair, clothes, feathers, or pages. Don't ruffle my hair. I just combed it. Sniffle. To sniff repeatedly, usually because of a cold, allergies, or crying. Please stop sniffling and blow your nose. Scuttle. To run quickly with short, hurried steps. The baby scuttled to her mother happily. Nozzle. To gently rub or press your nose or face against someone or something to show love or comfort. My dog nuzzling its face on me. Gobble. To eat something very quickly and noisily. Don't gobble your food. Chew it properly. wobble. To move unsteadily from side to side or shake slightly. My chair leg is broken, so it wobble. Resemble. To look like or to be similar to someone or something. You resembles your mother a lot. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.